How to permanently delete files on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can permanently delete files on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to permanently delete files on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the file manager application here. Once you launch the file manager app, just come to the browse section and go to on my iPhone tab, and let's say that there is a certain file that you deleted over here. You tap the delete icon. The problem is that this file has not been permanently deleted because it is still accessible from the recycle bin. So you can come to the home page and go to recently deleted tab, and now right over here you'll be able to find that. Depending upon if you want to restore it, you can select that, tap on the recover option, but if you want to delete it permanently, you can tap the delete now option, and then this file will get successfully deleted even from your trash or recycle bin. This way you can go ahead and then permanently delete files on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.